Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have Vscode and a repo open. Now start making hidden Git files visible. First, open settings quickly with Ctrl+ so you stay in context. Once done, type files. Exclude into the search bar to reveal patterns that hide files and folders. You will also check files. Watch or exclude because it can stop updates from appearing. Make sure to keep the Explorer visible while you edit these settings so you can see changes immediately and react if a pattern hides the Git folder. Now you modify the rules that hide files. Open settings in JSON by clicking the Open Settings JSON icon, then locate Files. Exclude in Files. Watch or exclude objects. Once there, remove entries like Git, true, or change them to false so the Git folder becomes visible. Make sure formatting is valid JSON. Use quotes around keys and commas between entries. After saving, return to Explorer. Changes apply instantly. If a workspace has its own settings, repeat inside. Vscode/settings, JSON to override project-level hiding. Finish by confirming visibility and handling common failures. Check the Explorer immediately. If Git remains hidden, reload the window via Command Palette with Developer. Reload window. Also inspect workspace settings in Vscode/settings, JSON, and look for extensions like GitLens or file tree plugins that can hide Git metadata. Disable them temporarily to test. If nothing works, set the files. Exclude entry explicitly to false for Git and save. You should then see the folder. One tip: always validate JSON to avoid syntax errors preventing your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.